is a tiny piece of can slaw. It was found 8 inches down with my CTX 3030. Oh yeah! Oh, look at that! Look at that! Is it platinum? Is it white gold? Ooh. I can't find a mark on it yet. I'm not sure if it's gold or if it's silver. It says 04 at last. Oh, that's a lucky brick. That was zinc. Favorite, of course, here's my favorite, a lead sinker. And here's the numbers that came up with on the CTX 3030. Glasses? And always fill your holes in so that little old ladies walking their dogs and not watching where they're going don't fall in the hole.